Okay, here's a 1970 frame-off restoration for the GTO, and here's a quick video on the brake system. As you can see through the cross member here, I've got a small brake line that comes in and goes to this cross member, and then it distributes the brake fluid down the line. I've got a clip that goes right here into the differential. And then I had this whole thing redone, and I've got a weld clip right here. And if you follow down, I've got one more weld clip right there, and it goes into the wheel cylinder. And then same thing for the other side. Now, you can see where it does come out, the brake line, and then there's got a clip in there to lock it in. Now this brake line is a little bit different than the old one I took off the car. It was a single piece, a solid piece, all the way from here, all the way to the front of the car to the brake distribution block. However, when I ordered this, the way that everybody's doing now is they're ordering to get a small piece right here, and then you've got this little valve in here. What this does, it adds like a split second before the brake fluid is pushed out to the brakes, and evidently it just helps you stop a little bit better. But the brake line does run through the clips. Yeah, move around here a little bit. So you see the brake line runs around here through the first clip, and then through another clip, and it goes with the fuel line around the bend, and there's another clip in here, goes over top the cross member, around, and this one, the rear brake line goes into the back of this distribution block. Okay, so that's the rear brakes. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll have a lot more short videos on this rebuild as well.